Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show how to schedule sending a file on Telegram using the latest update, so your files go out exactly when you want without needing to be online. Let's get started. First, open Telegram on your phone and go to the chat where you want to send the file. This can be a private chat, a group, or even your saved messages if you're setting a reminder for yourself. Once you're inside the chat, look for the attachment icon, usually shown as a paperclip, and tap on it. From the options that appear, select File. This allows you to send documents, videos, or any type of file directly from your device. Next, browse your device and choose the file you want to send. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct file, especially if you're scheduling something important. Now, here's the key step. Instead of tapping the Send button normally, press and hold the Send button. After holding it for a second, a new menu will appear. This is where Telegram gives you extra options beyond instant sending. From this menu, choose Set a Reminder. After selecting it, you'll be able to pick the exact date and time you want the file to be sent. Set your preferred schedule, whether it's later today, tomorrow, or even further in the future. Once you confirm the time, Telegram will automatically schedule the file. You don't need to stay online, and the file will be delivered right on time. And that's it. It's a simple but powerful feature that helps you stay organized, especially for work, deadlines, or sending files across different time zones. Give it a try and make your messaging a lot more efficient.